The topic that nobody wants to talk about when running a sawmill. Let's get after it. Here it is, guys. First aid around a sawmill. And we're going to go just a little bit further and say first aid's an emergency, okay? We're going to cover the emergency side because it's probably going to be just a little bit quicker. Fire, that's kind of a big emergency. Have a fire extinguisher, make sure it's charged, make sure it's up to date. Every once in a while, give it a smack, make sure the stuff settles down. Keep it close by, hang it on your shed, hang it on your sawmill. Have it readily accessible. Around here, it's all looking nice and green right here in the middle of April. Middle of May, middle of June, it's going to be brown. They shut us down at 1 o'clock for chainsaw usage in case a spark starts a fire. So that's kind of the emergency side of things. Now for fire. Now we're going to get into first aid. Guys, you can find a lot of workplaces, first aid kits expire. Well, the goods are still good in them. The one thing that really expires in a first aid kit that causes a lot of companies to throw them away is the eye wash. You can go buy a new thing of eye wash really cheap. Number one thing that I think should be in your sawmill first aid kit is eye wash. Number two, tourniquet. Get some training. Find a cat or soft T tourniquet. Do not buy Chinese replica bullshit. It is cheap garbage that will break. Find a training. Take a stop the bleed class. Guys, in a moment's notice, this operation can turn drastic. As we call it in our family, Brother Murphy can and will show up at the most inopportune moments. If you're by yourself sawing somewhere, I recommend keeping one of these on your person. It's too easy, too cheap. If you find one for less than $30, it's probably garbage. Okay, so we've got eye wash, cat tourniquet, some Band-Aids, flexible knuckle ones I like, just some standard Band-Aids, okay? We get the little boo-boos, we get the little bumps. Now, another item that I really like is I carry my pocket knife with me everywhere, but sometimes you can't get the slivers out with a pocket knife. So having a razor knife and a pair of tweezers available, you can dig that out, throw a little bit of antiseptic spray in it, patch it up with a Band-Aid, maybe a little bit of tape, and get back to work. You don't want to be, we're just trying to minimize downtime with this, guys, and protect ourselves. There's a lot of other options that come in these first aid kits. There's a pair of scissors, there's antiseptic wipes, triangular bandages, all these different things. But what it boils down to is the number one most important thing is your mindset and your training. So get out there, get some, learn to use the equipment and the tools that you're going to use, just the same as you would with this sawmill, just the same as probably the reason you're watching this video is to learn something. So get out, get some experience, guys, and enjoy cutting some wood.